Hi guys, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and it's craft time again. Ruff, ruff. Guess what? Dogs. Yep, you got it. We're going to have to do dogs today. Now, before I show you the craft, I'm going to show you this. This is so awesome. It's your skill sheet for this week. And this is an I Spy. And how many orange doggy bowls? You're going to color them orange, and how many you're going to find. You're going to color the leash green and tell me how many you found. A blue house, a black bone, a yellow dog. Cool. So this is what this is. And over here, you are going to take the dogs where they need to be. You're going to have to be very, very, very vigilant and careful. And then you match the dog to the bone, depending on the math problem right there. Then you turn it over, and there's still two more. This is just my dog Spot. It's a story and questions, and you can color Spot. This one right here is fun because here's an example. There are 2 dogs and 12 biscuits. How many do they each get? Oh, what kind of problem is that? Division. Is it? I think so. So anyway, there's your craft worksheets to do for this week, your activities. Now, let's get back to the dogs. Here we go. Did you hear a dog? I think I do. Now, when you take your dog out of your package, you're going to have something that says, I don't know, furry fantastic, drooly excellent, and all of these pieces. Now, you'll take all of these pieces and you'll get a dog that looks like this, an outline, and then you'll take all of your pieces and put them on your dog, and this is what you end up with. This particular dog says furry fantastic and has shades. Green heart-shaped sunglasses. On the back, you put your magnet, so it's a magnet. Now, you might get something else because it looks like to me, this dog is yellow. And it looks like to me, he has big pink ears. It also looks like he has some shiny hearts that go somewhere. Oh, and it looks like some more glasses. And this dog is drooly excellent. So depending, you could get maybe one of 4 different dogs. I don't know what color you get. I don't know what kind of saying you're going to get, but it's going to be fun. So put your dog together. Here, another dog. What's going on here? And have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye, guys.